To capture a measurement, I will first need to freeze the image. I'll tap the freeze button to the right of the preset, and I can even scroll back. Sometimes this happens when the animal moves and you want to catch an image that you had recently. When I'm happy with the image, I can tap Select, and to the far right, I can tap the button to select my measurement tool, and I can place my fingers on the blue buttons to adjust my measurement. You'll see the measurement at the bottom, and you can also label the image. When I tap Label, I can type in my label, and I can place it anywhere I want on the screen. I can capture the image by tapping the blue camera, and now the image is stored in the reel.